Hello guys! Happy Monday! I'm so excited because I am going to be doing something I have literally never done before, and this is called my 12 Days of Christmas. So every single day for the next 12 days, I'm going to be sharing with you discounts, freebies, and amazing deals so that you can take advantage of some of the awesome things I have to share that help you to nourish your body, mind, and spirit. Because I honestly think this is the perfect time to give gifts, and so I want to give gifts to all of you. Okay, so for day one, I'm really excited because today is a freebie day. So you're going to get my free ebook, which is called The Busy Mom's Guide to Christmas Sweets. So as we all know and love, Christmas sweets are incredible, and there are some things that we really, really love to make. However, what I've done is made some of these favorites a little bit healthier by either reducing the gluten, reducing the refined sugars, or both. And so this particular ebook has 11 recipes plus some additional bonus recipes that have some of your favorites, like sugar cookies, which actually have no sugar, which is really fun. So they're no sugar cookies. I have gingerbread men that are actually made gluten-free and refined sugar-free as well. I also have hot chocolate. I have some amazing creamers. So if you love a peppermint creamer around this time of year, I have the recipe for that in this book as well. So all you have to do is click on the link that I'm going to put into the comments right now. Ta-da! And use this really, really special code, which is Renata100. So RENATA 100 is the coupon code. The coupon code. Hi, Candy! How's it going? So that is the code that you will use upon checkout to get this ebook completely free. And this is just day one of the 12 days of Christmas. So like I said, I wanted to give you a really special and fun treat because I really think that this time of year, it's so easy to spend a whole bunch of money or to give things for other people, but how about we start tuning in and giving stuff to ourselves, like some awesome, healthy, and delicious sweet treats that we can actually feel good about eating. So go ahead and grab my Busy Mom's Guide to Christmas Sweets and stop making some of these delicious sweets. Honestly, I think I'm gonna make the gingerbread men for some of my neighbors because my kids will love decorating them. And you know, it's so great for them to get involved in the kitchen this time of year as well. So if you have any questions, let me know, but make sure to stay tuned because I'm going to be sharing another amazing deal, discount, or freebie for the next 11 days. It's going to be amazing. Hope you guys are having an amazing Monday, and I will see you again very, very soon.